Hey guys, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and today we're going to make some mushroom jerky. Next up, we're going to make a really banging sort of Asian style marinade with soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, a tiny dash of Worcester, honey for sweetening. We've got some raspberry vinegar here for a bit of zing, and then white pepper, black pepper and chili flakes. We're going to mix it all up and marinade. Okay, so we marinated them overnight. Now we're going to dehydrate them. Right, the mushrooms are in the dehydrator, 75 degrees. I've set it for about 10 hours, but I'm just going to keep checking on it. Stay tuned for the next video to see how they turn out and the tasting.